So how healthy are Mindful Chef's meals? Very healthy. Yes, that's what they're all about. No refined carbs, no dairy at all, and no gluten in all of their meals, which is quite great. I mean, they don't have as many meals to choose from, but there's calories of each meal, and it's between 450 and 650 calories.
Which is quite good.
Very good.
Did you say there's no refined carbs?
No refined carbs. No
So they
dairy,
only use like
no
brown
gluten.
rice. They don't have potatoes. If you have potatoes, it's like sweet potatoes. So they have like alternatives. Brown pasta, which is really good if you're wanting a more
healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, seeing as all like a lot of their recipes are actually really tasty, and knowing that they're healthy and aren't bad for me, that's really good. Although they could add a bit more seasoning.
A little bit
I
of
think
flavour.
some of the meals
Flavour.
were a bit bland, but I mean that you could just add that in yourself.
Yeah.
I think as a basis, as like a base recipe meal, it's really good, and you can just add whatever you like into it.
A bit of
if
mayo
you
went
don't.
on there.
Yeah.
So you get a booklet with all the recipes in, and it tells you at the top of each recipe how much protein is in it, how much of your 5 a day, I think. And
How many carbohydrates, so it just gives you a bit of a breakdown of what you're eating, really.
And you can kind of be a bit more, especially if you're trying to bulk or something, it's really good for, you know, tracking how much protein you're having.